Now I'm going to solve this problem. Find L of sine 2t by square root of t the whole square. To solve this problem, I'm going to use all these nodes, okay? All these properties we are going to use, identities we are going to use here, okay? I have given this one for your reference, okay? Let's solve this problem now. Sine 2t by square root of t the whole square is what? Just take square first, okay? So now this will be L of sine square 2t by square root of t the whole square is what? It is t. Now this is in the form of f of t by t. So how we are going to solve this one? Using division by property, that's all. So this one is integral s to infinity L of sine square 2t into ds. Here only we are going to use the identity, trigonometric identity we are going to use, because Laplace transformation of sine at only we need, okay? That means Laplace transformation of sine at only we know, but here it is Laplace transformation of sine square 2t is given. So using this identity only we can solve this one, okay? You can find Laplace transformation, okay? So now this is equal to integral s to infinity L of 1 minus cos 2 theta. In the place of theta what are you having? It is 2t. So it is 1 minus cos 2 into 2t whole divided by 2 into ds. Now this is equal to integral s to infinity L of 1 minus cos 4t by 2 into ds. Now use the linear property. So now this will be what? 1 by 2 into integral s to infinity L of 1 minus L of cos 4t into ds. Now this is equal to 1 by 2 into integral s to infinity. What is L of 1? It is 1 by s. Minus what is L of cos 4t? It is s divided by s square plus 4 square into ds. Okay, now what you are going to do? Simply you are going to integrate this one, okay? The first one is very easy. It is Laplace transformation of 1, okay, by s. Laplace transformation of 1 by s is what? It is log s. But for the second one only we are going to use the formula, okay? So this one is what? It is 1 by 2 into integral s to infinity 1 by s into ds minus this 1 by 2 is common for both the terms. So integral s to infinity s into ds by s square plus 4 square, okay? Now integration of 1 by s into ds is what? It is log s. But for the second one, if you are not having this s, we are having formula, but we are having s, no? So for that one, definitely we need to go with that formula, integration of f dash of x into dx by f of x, okay? If you are differentiating the denominator, if you are getting the numerator, you can write it as log of the denominator. That is that formula, okay? So for that one, if you are differentiating the denominator, what will you get? It is s square plus 4. So the differentiation of it will be what? 2s into ds. But we are having only s, no? So equal to do that one, to apply that formula, I am going to multiply and divide that 2, okay? This one, okay? Now we can write this one as log of s square plus 4 square. That's all, okay? So now this is 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by s is log s minus, now this is log of s square plus 4 square into this 1 by 2, okay? Now we can write this 1 by 2 in the form of log m power n, okay? So now this is equal to 1 by 2 into log s minus log of s square plus 4 square whole power 1 by 2. Now this is equal to what? It is log of a minus b. What is log a minus b? Log a by b, okay? So log of s divided by square root of s square plus 4 square. In all the place, definitely we should write the limit, okay? Without forgetting that one, we should write the limit values, okay? Now you have to substitute the upper and lower limit. As I said before, here directly you cannot apply the upper limit, okay? If you are substituting, definitely you'll get indefinite form. So to avoid that one, you should do this simplification. So now that one is what? This is equal to 1 by 2 into log of, okay, you just take that s outside from the denominator, okay. Now this will be what? You are going to take this s square out of this square root. So now this will become s only, okay. And then within this square root, you'll have 4 square by s square. That's all. Limit varies from s to infinity. Still we didn't substitute the limit, okay. This is 1 divided by square root of 1 plus 4 square by s square. Limit varies from s to infinity. Now you substitute the upper limit. It will be what? 4 square by infinity. Anything by infinity will be 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Log 1. So now this will be 1 by 2 into log 1 minus log of, this will be what? Upper limit is over, lower limit will be what? Same thing only. So it is 1 divided by square root of 1 plus 4 square by s square. Now you just see what is log 1? It is 0. Log 1 is 0. So this is 1 by 2 into 0 minus, you just take LCM here. It will be log of 1 by square root of s square plus 4 square by s square, okay. Everything is within this square root only. Now you split this one. So now this will be what? 1 by 2 into 0 minus log of 1 divided by square root of s square plus 4 square by s. Now 1 by this will be what? This is equal to 1 by 2 into 0 minus this will be what? Minus log of, this s will go to numerator, s divided by square root of s square plus 4 square. And because of this minus sign, you can write this one as log of s by square root of s square plus 4 square whole power minus 1. And this 1 by 2, okay. Now this will be what? 1 by 2 into log of reciprocal of this one, square root of s square plus 4 square by s. That's all. This is only the answer of the given problem. That is 1 by 2 into log of square root of s square plus 4 square by s. That's all.